We got a real big crew today, so this will be my second time out. Still the only stock vehicle. Haven't managed to get any tires or suspension or anything really, but old Jeep still seems to do pretty good. We're off. This time I've got Rob as my co-pilot.
Hello.
Luckily he brought his Switch in case he gets bored.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean. Gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker.